Afterpay is a fantastic buy now, pay later service that allows you to split your Best Buy purchases into 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks to be eligible. You simply need to be 18 years or older, have a valid U.S. address, and a repayable debit or credit card. First, you'll need to set up your Afterpay account. Download the Afterpay app from your phone's app store. Once downloaded, open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to register. This typically involves providing your basic personal information and linking a payment method. Now, let's tackle online Best Buy purchases. Head over to the Best Buy website and browse for the electronics or appliances you want. When you're ready to check out, select Afterpay as your payment method. You'll be redirected to the Afterpay app to approve the purchase. And once complete, your order on Best Buy will be confirmed. For in-store shopping, the process is equally simple. Once you've chosen your items at Best Buy, open your Afterpay app. Tap on the In-Store tab to generate a unique barcode at the checkout. Simply present this barcode to the Best Buy associate, and they will scan it to apply Afterpay as your payment method. It's that easy. Whether it's a new TV, a gaming console, or a washing machine, Afterpay makes managing your budget at Best Buy incredibly convenient. Happy shopping!